Dear pet parents, welcome to Doggy Words YouTube channel. I am Dr. S.K. Pandey, working as a senior consultant with Doggy Word. Today we will be talking about nutrition requirement for different growth stages in dogs. As you know, dog starts growing during the puppyhood stage and very soon it becomes adult and then it remains adult for a few years and then it turns into a senior dog. So one thing is very interesting. Dog grows very fast. You will see a very fast pace of growth from 2 months to maybe a year or year and a half depending upon the breed. That means within a span of around 1 to 1.5 years the dog is going to grow to the full size. So that means that the requirement during this phase, early phase, in terms of nutrition is very high compared to other phases of life, because the puppy has to grow and it has to become adult within 1 to 1.5 years. So it requires lot of protein for the growth, it requires lot of minerals for bony growth, it requires lot of vitamins, it requires lot of fats. So all these things are required in a very high concentration, very high percentage. Also the brain is developing, the organs are developing, vision is developing. So it requires a lot of vital elements, it requires a lot of vitamins, it requires a lot of omega fatty acids, it requires a lot of substances like glucosamine and condensate sulfate. So puppyhood stage is a very important stage where the nutrition requirement is very high compared to any other stage. So we should not ignore a puppy and we should understand that it grows very fast and we have to provide a very good nutrition during the puppyhood stage. Then what happens? 1 to 1.5 years it becomes adult and it remains in the adult phase for a long duration of time. Maybe you can say it remains adult till 5 to 6 years of age. So during this phase the growth is not happening, only the nutrition is required for the functioning, for the maintenance of the body and for the activity which a dog is doing. So it requires energy, of course, for the activity. If the activity is more energy. If the activity is lesser energy. And the muscle requirement, the growth of muscle will happen at this stage. So we have to provide a good quality protein. But the protein requirement or the energy requirement will be lesser compared to the puppyhood stage. Then comes the third stage, which is a very important stage, but it is often ignored. It is a senior dog. You know, during the senior dog, the functions of the organs goes down and there is a lot of degeneration. There is a lot of degeneration of joints, there is degeneration of brain functions, there are degeneration of heart muscles and all. So we need to give certain important vital elements to revive the body functions. Like vitamin requirement is more and maybe mineral requirement will be more, maybe the substances like omega fatty acids will be required more, the substances like glucosamine, condensate sulfate, they will be required more. So even the senior dog, also the antioxidant, so senior dog requirement will be very different. So the growth wise, if we see the nutrition, yes, the amount of nutrition during growth phase very high, maintenance phase, that is adult stage, a bit less, but it can differ as per the activity, and the senior dog should have a different kind of nutrition to rejuvenate the body, and we need to take care of all these factors in mind and need to take care of the pets during all these stages. Thank you very much. I think you must have got some tips about nutrition during different stage of life, and if you like this, you like and subscribe Doggy Word Delhi. Thank you very much.